Welcome to Museum of Nature and Science.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're visiting Tokyo's National Museum of Nature and Science. First and foremost, this place is huge. It consists of two large buildings. The first building, Japan Gallery, has 3 floors, where each floor is divided into north and south wings. The second building, the Global Gallery, is even larger, with 6 floors, 3 of which are underground. To make navigation easier, we'll label each floor in the chapter's markers. Let's dive in.
Here is about Japanese astronomy.
Ancient Japanese astronomy was closely tied to religious belief, agriculture practice, and Chinese influence. Over time, Japan's developed its own interpretation of celestial movement, which shaped festivals, timekeeping, and mythology.
Early Japanese telescope.
Early Japanese microscopes were imported from other countries and used in medicine and sericulture. Japanese craftsmen later developed to make their own microscope, eventually developing a thriving microscope industry.
Early forms of clocks.
Christian missionaries were among the first to introduce Japan to Western mechanical spring-driven clocks in the 16th century in the form of gift to daimyos. At the turn of the 17th century, Japanese locals started making their own Western-style mechanical clock.
Ancient Japanese people and how they live.
The first humans arrived in Japan around 40,000 years ago. They were mainly hunters-gatherers who used stone tools. The Yayoi period in the 300 BC marked the introduction of rice agriculture. Contact with China and Korea profoundly shaped early political structures, religion, and technology.
Japanese emerald from smaller islands.
The Japanese islands are home to many organisms, including mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, amphibians, and insects. The Japanese islands has 4 distinct seasons and are strongly affected by monsoons and ocean currents. The complex topography and climates of natural environment has given rise to diverse forms of life.
This shows how was reward formed.
Welcome to the Global Gallery building. You are first greeted by an animation showing how the universe was formed and how mankind evolved.
This is wall of different leaves.
The evolution of life on Earth has given rise to approximately 10 million species. While all living organisms share fundamental traits, each species have uniquely adapted to a specific environment. No species exists in isolation. Everything is interconnected in a complex web of the ecosystem.
Are these only different but color? Same but different. What is the difference? They're all the same.
Floor 2 showcase our progress in science and technology, highlighting humanity's journey of discovery, from the depth of the sea to the vastness of space exploration.
All these animals are from Africa.
Africa is home to over 1,100 mammal species, and many of them are displayed here. There are also very small numbers of non-African mammals displayed here too.
Most fossils are found in the basement levels.
Dinosaurs roamed Earth for more than 165 million years. It is no surprise that we were able to find evidence of their existence in all 7 continents. There are more than 700 known dinosaur species, and some of the largest ones are herbivores. Triceratops means three-horned face in Greek. It was one of the first dinosaur species that lived on Earth. Today's bird actually evolved from dinosaur. Split scale on reptiles evolved into feathers, which help them maintain their body temperature. Elephant started as a pig-sized animal 35 million years and is the largest land mammal today. Their trunks evolved around 20 million years as a snorkel, which allowed them to move underwater for a longer period. Humans split from their common ancestors shared with chimpanzees 6 million years ago. There were around 20 different human species that once lived on Earth, but only us, the Homo sapiens, survived. Earth is about 4.6 billion years old. This was estimated by carbon dating trees and rocks.
This room is all about chemistry.
Today's periodic table was developed in 1869. It arranged by the known elements at the time based on their atomic weight. During development, a pattern was noticed with chemical properties of each element. This led to the design of leaving gaps in the periodic tables for undiscovered elements.
These are the famous scientists from Japan.
Our last section of the museum. Japan has gained a lot of Nobel Prizes, and some of these are documented here. The museum has one cafeteria. The menu is mainly pasta and sandwich, and the price is reasonable.
The lockers are for free, but you have to put a 100 yen coin to get the key out.
Make no mistake, this museum is huge. There were 8 floors between 2 buildings, and each floor took 30 minutes to explore. In the end, we spent a full 6 hours here. Although there were many different themes throughout this video, all the artifacts were related to biology and chemistry. If that's your thing, this is definitely the place for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.